Okay, so I have a wet felted bowler hat here, and I put a bias binding on the edge. The hat has been stiffened with shellac, so it is quite firm, and not got too much shellac on the brim, but we'll see how we go. So the first thing to do is to take your very expensive brim curling iron that you have to heat up in a gas flame and throw that away. So we won't worry about that. So I quite like a bowler hat with just a flat brim, in which case the brim will be narrower, but for a traditional curved brim this is a way I have tried over the last week or so and seems to work okay. So what I'm going to use, I've got two different thicknesses of rope here. So you can find bits of rope, clothesline perhaps, but your DIY stores will have, you can buy small lengths of rope for not very much money. So with the shellac we can steam the brim and then simply curl over the rope. And with luck the shellac will hold that shape. So I've got a larger rope as well for the side. So get some steam going. Wait for my glasses to clear. It's not a very scientific process. I'll just hold it while it cools down again.